They can't climb back over the track.
Right, it's just too high.
And so what did he do?
So he had a solution, and that is tiny turtle bridges.
Turtle bridges.
Driver, put your hands out the window. I can see
And so
him.
you went out and you videotaped his turtle bridges and the turtles?
Drop
Yes.
the cup.
We got a grand tour of the turtle bridges.
With your left hand.
They're just mostly
Open the door. Step out.
And he's cute looking.
They're very cute.
Stay facing away from us and step back until I tell you to stop.
And they're able to
Stop.
climb back. So they go
Step to your right.
over the track and then to safety.
Jam behind your head. Where's the little girl?
Where's the little
Where
girl?
is she? The little girl.
Where's the little girl? You know what we're talking about. Where's the little girl?
I don't know.
Where's the little girl? Hurry up!
Show us the little girl. I don't know any little girl. Whoa!
Where's the little girl?
What are you talking about?
Where's the little girl?
I don't know.
Where is she?
You're going away for a long time.
I don't know.
There's the little girl.
Safety.
Yes, you can see it on our website in action. Turtles escaping their death